Hello, this is nice math problem 1 minus x over x minus 1 is equal to, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start. Solution. The given equation is 1 minus x over x minus 1 is equal to. We can write this 1 minus x as minus x minus 1 over this x minus 1 is equal this 2. Here this x minus 1 and this x minus 1 cancel. Here remain minus 1 is equal 2. But minus 1 not equal to 2. So this equation have no solution. So the value of x is equal no solution. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.